Hi, and today I'm going to show you how to use a manual breast pump. When I first started, I felt a bit unsure, so this guide will make it simple and easy. Every drop counts, you're nourishing your baby with love. This pump is super easy to handle. It has a milk collection container and a handle that gently creates suction. First, place the pump over your breast, making sure it feels secure and comfortable. Then, gently press the handle to start the suction. Within a minute, you should notice milk beginning to flow into the container. Switching breasts every few minutes can help prevent discomfort and keep both sides stimulated. If you feel tense, take a few deep breaths. Relaxation really helps your milk let down. Remember, pumping may take a little time at first, so stay patient and give your body a chance to adjust. Relax, mama. Milk flows best when you're calm. When you're finished, gently release the suction and remove the pump. Carefully transfer the milk into a clean, sterilized bottle or storage bag. Afterward, be sure to clean all parts that touched milk thoroughly to keep everything hygienic.